masyadong it's raining today and it's getting cold here. Kaya naisipan ko namang magluto ng sabaw. Sabaw na sinigang. So we went to go grocery shopping today and I got some golden papaya. I got one because that's all I need. Just one small papaya, which is pretty much enough for us. It's mostly me anyway that's gonna eat it. So I got the papaya. I'm only gonna add one tomato, medium size. That's fine for me. And I cut one piece of bell pepper. And I have this. Okay, I have a big bok choy. It can't even fit. So look at that, green. So instead of putting some cabbage, I'm just gonna put some bok choy. I'll put it there. Okay, so and I have some. I also get some baggy beans or green beans. So, and I have some pork. I'm using pork because for me it's tastier than chicken. So that's what I'm using. So, guys, kailangan nyo ng sabaw sa tag-ulan. Samahan nyo na naman ako sa aking pagluluto.
Mom, we got the snack.
Chili pepper. Okay guys, ayan na siya. Oh, ang sarap, diba? I put a lot of vegetables in it because I like vegetables. So, yeah, it's almost ready. Guys, look at that. That's just very good. So I cooked some buffalo wings. I need to add some more sauce on it. I want some soups. That's why I cooked the sinigang with the buffalo and with rice. Ito na. Tapos na ako. So it's time to eat. Here's my soup. I only get one buffalo wing. And there's my rice. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe.